ang happiness mo.
Liza!
Aagawin pa ng pagod at sakit sa'yo? Mag-Enervon everyday. Dami mangganaps, may tulong sa more immunity plus more energy. Para sa happiness mo, take Enervon.
Unilab yan.
Nido Jr. for 1 to 3 years old. Now available in 2.4 kilogram big box. Now only 17 pesos per glass. Nido Jr. The use of milk supplements must only be upon the advice of a health professional. The unnecessary and improper use of this product may be dangerous to your child's health.
Aroy!
Di ba naggamot ka na sa Rayuma?
May maga pa rin eh.
Mas magaling ang Skelan dyan. Try mo!
Basta Rayuma, Skelan. Check na mas magaling. Mas tipid kaysa leading brand. Sa Skelan, mas gagaling ka. Unilab yan.
Breakfast tayo? Chicken time! Ladies' Choice Chicken Spread. May linamnam ng real chicken at farfish eggs for breakfast.
Sarap! Thumbs up for the best mom!
Ladies' Choice Chicken Spread, 10 pesos lang. Ang banta ng sakit, pwedeng dala-dala natin pa uwi. Kaya nakakapasok na ito sa loob ng bahay. Ang kalusugan ng iyong anak, huwag ikompromiso.
Huwag hayaang magkasakit sila. Kaya dapat Silin Plus araw-araw. Ito lang ang may stable combination ng vitamin C at zinc.
Para buong nakukuha ang double proteksyon laban sa sakit. Tulong para ang immunity.
Fully loaded!
Para protektado, tulungan gawing fully loaded ang immunity nila with Silin Plus.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Can Monday bread pass the Fluffylicious test? Yes. Let me show you. You can curve it, press it, and squish it. So Fluffylicious. It's the soft, fluffy bread my family loves. Made from quality ingredients. Sarap! Baked into fluffy, milky, and buttery slices. Try Monda Fluffy and Milk Bread.
At age 50 plus, mas kailangan ng katawan ng suporta upang manatiling malusog at protektado. Try Doctor-Prescribed Centrum Silver Advance para tulungan protektahan ang resistensya, puso at paningin. Try Centrum Silver Advance.
Her baby skin was mabango.
A lot softer, a lot smoother.
Definitely, we're making the switch to Baby Dove.
And parents who tried Baby Dove will switch. Will you switch?
Your child is leveling up in every moment, and Similac Gain School helps you make it happen. With 10 key brain nutrients and immunity-boosting HMO for your child to learn faster every day. Similac Gain School. Fast learners level up every day.
Hirap paghanap buhay ngayon. Pero di ako papatalo. Kaya kahit sa ubo, sipon at headache, hindi ako pumapayag magpakalugi. I take Tuceran Forte with multi-stopping formula. May lakas na talo ang lahat laban sa ubo, sipon at headache. Ubo, sipon at headache, talo lahat sa lakas ng Tuceran Forte.
Tuceran Forte! Alagang Unilab yan.
Sa bawat pagluha,
Bakit tayo hindi na tayong maging masaya?
may ngiting papalit. Ang kwento ni Mikmik,
Bakit naman ka?
patunay na anuman ang pagdaanan,
Game na game po ako dyan.
may pag-asa. Kaya't sa bawat pagsubok, laban lang. Nang ngumiti ang langit, 3:15 p.m. sa A to Z Channel 11.
Tita Pretty!
Michael,